The best lemon blueberry bread recipe is made with Greek yogurt, fresh or frozen blueberries, and a simple glaze. This easy recipe is moist, flavorful, and can be enjoyed year-round. Ingredients: softened butter for the pan, zest from 2 lemons, 1 cup 200 g sugar, half a cup 118 g extra virgin olive oil or vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, half a cup 120 g sour cream or whole milk yogurt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1½ cups 195 g all-purpose flour, 1½ cups 222 g fresh or frozen blueberries, turbinado sugar for sprinkling. Instructions: 1. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Grease an 8½ x 4½ inch loaf pan with softened butter. 3. Line with a sheet of parchment paper that extends up and over the long sides of the pan, like a cradle for your cake. 4. Rub the lemon zest into the granulated sugar with your fingers in a large bowl until fragrant. 5. Add the oil and vanilla and whisk for 30 seconds. 6. Add the eggs one at a time, whisking after each addition. 7. Whisk in the sour cream or yogurt and freshly squeezed lemon juice. 8. Whisk in the baking powder followed by the salt. 9. Switch to a spatula and stir in the flour. 10. The batter will be slightly lumpy. 11. Fold in 1 cup 145 g of the berries. 12. Transfer the batter to a buttered and parchment-lined loaf pan. 13. Scatter another ½ cup of blueberries over the top. Sprinkle with turbinado sugar. 14. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 1 hour. Remove from the oven. Let cool for 20 minutes. 15. Then remove the loaf from the pan by the parchment sling and let it cool to room temperature. 16. Slice and serve. Keep the cake wrapped on the counter for up to 3 days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.